Dr. Fixit Kwik and Ezee Wall Gap and Crack Filler, 150 grams, white. It's perfect for DIY waterproofing for home repairs, kitchen sink and wall cracks, bathroom tile gaps, sealant, metal, wood, PVC, and is best for wet and damp areas. Ready to use, this is a one-component tile grout, tile sealant, and crack filler which is really easy to apply. It can repair and seal any cracks up to 5 millimeters. Eco-friendly Dr. Fixit Kwik and Ezee is a non-hazardous, eco-friendly sealant. It's a water-based, non-organic, volatile tile grout and sealant that is safe for home use and DIY tile sealing purposes. Usage of gloves is recommended to avoid the hassles of cleaning post-use. Kwik and Ezee is a crack filler suitable for different surfaces like concrete, stone, wood, PVC, and metals. You can use Kwik and Ezee as a waterproof gap filler to fix bathroom tiles, wash basin, windowsill joints, or any other gaps. Use on wet and damp areas. It sets on wet and damp surfaces easily like bathroom floors, tile joints, nani traps, etc., and prevents leakages from windowsill joints during rains. Dual exposure application. Dr. Fixit Kwik and Ezee is UV resistant and thus suitable for indoor and outdoor applications. From leakages on the roof, parapet walls, and all kinds of floor and bathroom tile joints, to wet areas like sanitary joints, kitchen sink edges, or windowsills during monsoons. You can find Kwik and Ezee on Amazon at the following link: https://amzn.to/41sheesa.